The top industries for employment in Red Deer, Alberta that you need to know about before moving. Are you thinking of making a move to Red Deer, Alberta, but worried about finding employment? If so, this article is for you. Whether you're looking for a job in healthcare, construction, or any other major industry, Red Deer has much to offer. Here's a breakdown of the top industries driving employment in the city, along with the job opportunities they provide. Let's dive in. 1. Healthcare and social assistance, Red Deer's economic cornerstones. Healthcare and social assistance are at the heart of Red Deer's economy, making up about 12% of total employment in the city. Two of the largest employers are Red Deer Regional Hospital and Alberta Health Services. These institutions are essential not only for the city but also for the surrounding regions, serving a population of over 500,000 people. Red Deer Regional Hospital expansion. The Red Deer Hospital is undergoing a massive $1.8 billion expansion scheduled to be completed between 2030 and 2031. This expansion is set to increase the hospital's capacity by 30%, adding 200 new inpatient beds and 3 new operating rooms. The addition of a cardiac catheterization lab will be a game changer for emergency heart care, drastically reducing the need for patients to travel long distances for treatment. This expansion will not only improve healthcare services but also create a plethora of job opportunities for nurses, doctors, administrative staff, and other healthcare professionals. In addition, the construction industry will benefit as this expansion will require numerous skilled trades workers, making it a win-win for multiple sectors. Social assistance industry. In addition to healthcare, the social assistance industry is another significant employer in Red Deer. The city has several organizations dedicated to supporting vulnerable populations, including seniors, people with disabilities, and those dealing with mental health and addiction challenges. The Safe Harbor Society is one of these organizations, providing essential services to the homeless population. A key player in this field is the Red Deer Recovery Community, a state-of-the-art treatment center offering long-term addiction recovery programs at no cost to residents. The social assistance sector needs counselors, social workers, and professionals in child and family services, providing ample opportunities for those looking to make a difference. As one of the largest employers in Red Deer, the healthcare industry offers a wide range of salaries depending on qualifications and job roles. Registered nurse, RN, the average salary for an RN in Red Deer is approximately $80,000, $90,000 per year, similar to Alberta-wide averages. Healthcare aide. These positions typically earn between $20, $25 per hour, which translates to roughly $42,000, $52,000 annually. Administrative staff, healthcare, salaries for medical administrative assistants or office staff range from $40,000, $55,000 per year. Social workers/counselors, salaries for social workers typically range from $50,000, $70,000, depending on experience. 2. Construction industry, a sector set for growth. The construction industry in Red Deer is booming, and it's not slowing down anytime soon. With an estimated 8% growth over the next 5 years, this sector is ripe with opportunity. One driving factor behind this growth is the impending retirement of about 20% of Alberta's construction workforce over the next decade, creating a need for skilled labor. Major construction projects. One of the most exciting projects in Red Deer is the ongoing downtown revitalization, known as the Capstone development. This urban development is expected to add 2,000 new residential units, including condos, apartments, and townhouses, contributing to the city's long-term growth. Located along the river with beautiful walking paths and proximity to downtown, Capstone promises a trendy and vibrant atmosphere. Another major construction project is the previously mentioned $1.8 billion hospital expansion. In addition to this, surrounding areas like Blackfalds and Sylvan Lake are experiencing a housing boom, further driving demand for skilled workers, such as carpenters, electricians, plumbers, and HVAC technicians. The construction industry in Red Deer is booming, with high demand for skilled tradespeople. Wages for trades positions in Alberta are generally higher than in many other provinces due to the demand for skilled labor. Carpenters typically earn $25, $35 per hour, equating to $52,000, $73,000 annually, depending on experience and specialization. Electricians, wages for electricians range from $30, $45 per hour, or $62,000, $93,000 per year. Plumbers, typically earn $25, $40 per hour, or $52,000, $83,000 annually. Heavy equipment operators, in the construction sector, these operators earn around $25, $35 per hour, depending on experience and location. Given the construction boom in Red Deer, wages are expected to remain competitive as the demand for labor continues to rise. 3. Oil and gas industry, Alberta's iconic sector. No discussion of employment in Alberta would be complete without mentioning the oil and gas industry. Alberta is the largest producer of oil and natural gas in Canada, and Red Deer is no exception to the influence of this industry. Companies like Halliburton, Dow Chemicals, and Precision Drilling are major employers in the region. Job opportunities. Whether you're interested in becoming a roughneck on the rigs or pursuing a career as a drilling engineer, there's no shortage of opportunities in the oil and gas sector. There's also a need for heavy-duty mechanics, equipment operators, and health and safety professionals. The ongoing expansion of the Trans-Canada Pipeline, which will increase capacity to 900,000 barrels of oil per day, will further drive demand for skilled labor in this industry. Red Deer's proximity to major oil and gas fields means there are numerous opportunities in this sector, particularly for those with specialized skills. Roughneck/drilling rig worker, entry-level workers in the oil industry can earn anywhere from $25, $40 per hour, which translates to $52,000, $83,000 per year. Drilling engineer, salaries for experienced drilling engineers can exceed $100,000 per year, with senior engineers earning significantly more. Heavy-duty mechanic, oil and gas, these mechanics can expect to earn between $35, $50 per hour, or $73,000, $104,000 annually. Health and safety officer, oil and gas, typically earn $70,000, $90,000 per year. While jobs in the oil and gas industry can be volatile, high wages and strong demand, especially during periods of industry growth, make this sector a lucrative option. 4. Transportation and warehousing, Central Alberta's hub. Red Deer's location makes it an ideal hub for transportation and warehousing. Situated halfway between Edmonton and Calgary, Red Deer provides easy access to both major cities via the QE2 highway, the busiest in Canada. This makes the city an attractive base for distribution companies. Job prospects. The transportation and warehousing sector accounts for about 10% of employment in Red Deer. Major companies in this industry include Purolator, FedEx, and Canada Post. High demand exists for long-haul truck drivers, local delivery drivers, dispatchers, and warehouse workers, making this a solid choice for job seekers. Due to its strategic location between Edmonton and Calgary, Red Deer's transportation and warehousing sector is a major employer. Long-haul truck driver, wages for truck drivers in Red Deer can range from $50,000, $80,000 per year, depending on routes and experience. Warehouse worker, entry-level positions in warehousing typically start around $18, $25 per hour, or $37,000, $52,000 annually. Dispatchers in the transportation industry can expect to earn between $40,000, $60,000 annually. 5. Manufacturing and trades, blue-collar opportunities. The manufacturing and trades industries are another key component of Red Deer's economy, making up about 8% of total employment. The area has a strong blue-collar workforce, and opportunities abound for skilled tradespeople such as welders, machinists, millwrights, and electricians. Major employers. One of the biggest players in the manufacturing industry is Nova Chemicals, which operates the world's largest polyethylene facility just east of Red Deer. Another major employer is Olymel, a large pork processing plant, which provides numerous jobs in food manufacturing. Both of these companies rely heavily on skilled trades to keep operations running smoothly. If you're a tradesperson or looking to enter the trades, Red Deer offers ample opportunities for long-term employment. Red Deer has a strong manufacturing base, with large employers like Nova Chemicals and Olimel offering stable, well-paying jobs. Machine operator, wages for machine operators can range from $20, $30 per hour, or $42,000, $62,000 annually. Welder, welders in Red Deer typically earn $25, $40 per hour, depending on qualifications, with annual earnings between $52,000, $83,000. Millwright, a millwright in Red Deer can expect to earn between $30, $45 per hour, or $62,000, $93,000 annually. Food processing worker, Olimel, wages in the food processing industry typically range from $18, $25 per hour. Red Deer offers opportunity for all. Moving to a new city can be stressful, especially when job security is a concern. However, Red Deer's diverse and growing industries provide ample opportunity for employment across multiple sectors. From healthcare and social assistance to construction, oil and gas, transportation, and manufacturing, the city has something for everyone. If you're considering a move to Red Deer, now is the time to explore these industries and the opportunities they offer. Be sure to leave a comment below about which industry interests you the most or any thoughts you have on employment in Red Deer. And don't forget to check out other videos on this channel for more tips on moving to Alberta and navigating the job market.